What's up guys, today we're gonna test the new GPT 5.2 to make an iOS app in just a couple of minutes with AI. This is a brand new AI model that is so good to code, and it has better reasoning, better memory time, and overall it performs insane outputs. So let's give it that test today and actually see if we can build an iOS app in literally minutes. Alright, so to make our app, we will use Work. So you search it up online and sign in, and you will obtain some free credits to begin with. And right over here, as you can see below our prompt, we can select the AI model that we want. And of course, we have the brand new GPT 5.2, which is the one that we're gonna go ahead and try today and see if it's actually really good at coding as they say so. So it has better reasoning, it is better for longer context, and has better memory, and overall it gives a lot of insane outputs. So let's go ahead and select this and now write our prompt. But obviously, as you might know, the better our prompt is, the better results that we get. So we basically need to write the prompt in a lot of detail. And to make your lives easier, what I've done is created a universal AI prompt for Work that you can use to literally write your prompts to create apps with this platform over here. And it's available on my free school community, which you can join with the first link in the description. Just open up this PDF over here, go here and just download this. And you basically have this complete PDF with everything that you need to create your app. And as you can see, it's very small and simple, and that's literally the only thing that we need. So basically open out ChatGPT and just drag your PDF into the chat box, and then basically go into this dictate option over here and you start talking about the app that you want to create. And let's basically ask ChatGPT to adapt this brand new app idea into the PDF that we attached. Alright, so I basically want to create a very simple weather app. So using this universal prompt PDF that I attached, fill this up with all the information that I'm giving you. I want a list of all the locations in the world, and you can search it up. Once you click it, it gives you the temperature, the weather conditions, if it's cloudy, sunny, the estimations and everything. It is an iOS app, and for everything that I missed that was on the PDF, just fill it in, okay? Perfect. So now it will actually give us the prompt that we want with the things that we needed. And now ChatGPT will just give us the perfect prompt for our actual Work app. There we go. So you can see ChatGPT is already giving us everything as in the PDF, which is insane, but for our global weather app, which is exactly what I said. And this is a great way to easily just get a super cool prompt with 2 seconds, okay? And remember, you can get the PDF for free on my school community. Just the link is in the description. And now with that said, we can literally just go and copy the prompt and paste it into Work. So I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this, scroll down, go to Work, paste. And now with that said, and with GPT 5.2 selected, we can click on send. And now Work will literally spend some minutes creating our app with ChatGPT 5.2 and everything that we said with our universal prompt. And now we basically just need to wait. And alright, Work actually went ahead and completed the app with ChatGPT 5.2. So let's take a look. So first things first, we have this drop down of cities that I asked. So we can go here into the search bar and search for, I don't know, New York, for example, and we get it. And then we can search it up and we get the results. So we have 0 degrees right now. We have the wind, the chances of rain, humidity, all this stuff. And I feel like it needs to be more of a thing to drag down. I believe that the padding is not 100% complete, but that's the only thing that I'm missing right now. If we go back, we can see our favorites and also our settings. So we want Celsius, Fahrenheit, and the wind speed on kilometers or miles per hour, which is pretty cool. And overall, the UI is pretty neat. It's quite unique. It's a dark theme. I didn't ask any of this, so it's pretty cool. And we can search, for example, Miami. Let's see what we have right now. Miami, all right, 21 degrees. Feels like 23 degrees. Nice. I mean, it's working, right? Let's search San Francisco right now. Perfect. 8 degrees. Feels like 7. Nice. I mean, this is literally working. And this is right now calling Work's API to like check out the weather and all that stuff. So it's real. So that's really neat from Work. where you don't need to like look outside for an API. But the only thing that I would change is literally the padding. As you can see, things are joining up right here, and then I cannot scroll to the bottom for some reason. Obviously, that will be fixed with another easy prompt. I will say just adjust the padding on the top and on the bottom, and it will be fixed. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It made a very good job from one big prompt. The UI is really clean. Everything is working. Literally, like, the only thing to fix is just the padding on the top and on the bottom to be able to scroll down. That's it. So, we have to give this a rating from 1 to 10, man. We got a solid 7. And that 7 is because of the padding, okay? If not, it could be like a 8.5. So, pretty good. And it was pretty fast. It took a bit longer than Codex, but I'm pretty happy with it. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other tutorials to learn how to code apps with AI, so literally without coding, which is kind of funny. And then on top of that, check out my free school community to learn all about the prompts that you can use to make the best apps. And now, yes, with all said, bye-bye.